Hi everyone, welcome back to Patty Puckett Pouring Art. Today I'm going to be using a lot of my leftover colors and I'm going to be doing a landscape ocean beach pour. Let me show you one that I did, I don't know, probably a couple years ago now. This one. I really like this one. Actually, this one started out as a mistake. I don't know if it was a Dutch pour or what kind of pour it was, but yeah, it's hanging in my house here. Oops. I really like it. So I want to do something like this. It's more abstract instead of realistic. A couple of my other beach pours landscapes that I've done, right? Let me put them up here. One right here and one right here. I do like that first one better. So I'm going to try to be very loose with my swiping. I'm going to do a flip cup on the sky. Then I'm going to do, I'm not sure if I'm going to do a regular pour, just pouring it and swiping it for the ocean. And then I have a beach here. I'm not sure if I'm going to do anything with the beach as far as putting rocks or something like that. But let me show you the consistency. I'm doing a little bit thicker than some people would do. Is leaves a mound and a trace. They're all pretty much the same. What else? Oh, so the colors, they're all left over. The only colors I know for sure is this PBO blue black iridescent and the Artist Loft soft body white for this white, and a mixture of Creative Inspirations pearl and I think Amsterdam pearl for this white. So I have two different colors of white. The rest of them either leftover or they're custom mixed. So I'm going to go ahead and get set up. It's going to be on a 16 by 20 canvas, like the size of the first landscape pour that you saw. So I'll be back. Alright, I got it taped off. Always need a straight horizon. Taped off on the back. 16 by 20 canvas. Oh, here's another landscape pour that I did. So if you want to look back on my videos, you'll see quite a few of them. Probably, I don't know, 5 or 6 that I've done over the years. So let's get going with this. I think I'm going to start with, I have small cups. I'm going to do some flip cup in here. It's going to be sort of a cloudy, late afternoon sunset. So maybe a storm rolling in. Start with white. I'll do 3 of them. I'm gonna make some, do the pearl white on top of the regular white. I'm going to do a dirty cup. I don't know if I want orange in all the cups or how much I want of that. This pretty cloudy iridescent color. Gray. This is, I know it's a silver with some white mixed in. This is a blue. So we might have blue coming off in the background. Purple. top of that tape's about right here, so I'm going to just run some yellow right along. In the distance, it's going to be lighter where the sun's going down. Okay, I think the sunset is finished. Let me clean up here and I'll be back. Alright, I'm ready for the water, but first, everything's still wet, but I want to take this tape off right now. And I can get going on the water. First off, I want to do the darker paint on the horizon here. I know I'm going to have to fix this later. I think I'm done, except for the last little bit. I need to put just a little brighter white right along the edge. Okay, I'm going to wrap it up and clean the sides, and then I'll bring you back. I might do a little bit of touch up down here, but I'll bring you back to let you see the final. I'm done touching it up. I straightened the horizon, worked on the beach and the white caps and foam. Pretty happy with this one. I think I'm going to call this one Mauna Kea Beach. Give you a close-up. I still need to loosen up with my paintings, and some of you know what that means, some of you probably don't. But overall, I'm really happy with this one. I think it turned out really good. Tell me what you think in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Give me that thumbs up and go ahead and push that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. Aloha. Keep on pouring.